Well, we're back, April 2022. Folks, we just finished talking about Signally. If you haven't checked that video out, it is a great video. And we also talked about Minocoin and how it has some capability as far as, preventing people from knowing your identity. This whole privacy coin thing, which spurred me to realize that I need to basically tell people why I still believe ZCASH is perhaps one of the greatest projects in the entire crypto space. It's currently sitting at $173.58. It's been bouncing around and it's been out here for a while. I want to just let you take a look at the graph and let you see where it's been and let you know where I still think it could go. Look at this all-time high here. Okay, a lot of times people don't realize at the very beginning, this thing was off the charts. It was like 800. There it is, $1,300. This was back when people really started looking at, is this a viable thing to mine? Transparency here, I do mine Zcash, and I mine it for a reason because I believe in this project. I believe that the heir apparent to Bitcoin is perhaps really Zcash, because I believe that there is a need for privacy with transactions. I do not believe that it is necessary that people know all of your information. They need to know your name, your social security number, your driver's license number, how old you are, how much you weigh, what car you drive, what school you went to. They don't need to know all this information to process payments. And for those people who believe that there's some kind of nefarious activity going on just because you don't want your identity known, this is what I have to say to those folks. Yeah, that's right. Perk up and listen up. There is a little bit of anonymity given to you when you use cash money. When you go into the little gas station down on the corner or down there to the Dollar General or down there to the Dollar Tree, if you still go down there and shop at places like that, and you hand them your $5 to $10 or buy whatever it is, they don't know your name. They don't know where you're from. They don't have your driver's license. It's only when you pull out a credit card. So cash affords people a certain amount of anonymity. They don't have any other kind of way to identify you other than maybe a security camera. So if you think about that, there shouldn't be this hysteria around wanting to have some anonymity about where you were, when you were, why you were, who you are, and everything about you when you make a transaction. So when I look at Zcash and I look at Dash and Monero and now Minocoin, I feel like these coins will resurface and regain and take their rightful place in the crypto space. So when we look at this thing and we see that it's been as high as $1,000 and it's been up and down and been to the 800 spot or so, about maybe 600 in here, maybe it was about 800 or so. This coin looked like it would never go below 500. But like many coins in the crypto winter, it went all the way down, and you can see this. I remember at one point it was like $25. A lot of people stopped mining the coin, said it wasn't profitable. They weren't doing this for the long haul. They're doing it for the short haul. And for those people who do mine crypto, I would recommend that you do it for the long haul. You're not doing it for the short haul. If you're trying to turn a quick profit, in my opinion, that's just not the way to do it. So now here we are now at $173. And I've said many times on this channel that I think it could go to $300, $400, even this year. That was before the Ukrainian war kicked off. But with the advent of coins like Minocoin, and when this crisis abates, I think we're going to see people actually start looking at the utility of these privacy coins, and they're going to make some decisions about whether They want to build their projects on top of things like Dash and Zcash. So when we look and we see Zcash is sitting here at $173, folks, that's a bargain. That is a bargain. Look at the market cap for this thing, okay? Let's look at this and look at the market cap. The market cap is sitting here at $2,447,000,000. Okay, let's go back over here and let's put that in context. We put that in context and understand that you got a Bitcoin at $886 billion. And oh yeah, it has been as high as $1 trillion. You look at this little measly Zcash down here. Let's see if we can find it. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. There it is. Number 53 down here at a measly 2 billion. There's a long way between 2 billion and 886 billion. Now, folks, what if all of a sudden people wake up and realize that we need, I said, we need privacy with our transactions. Who needs privacy? It's not just everyday folks. It's industry, okay? People that have proprietary technology. If they start actually using crypto the way it was meant to be used to buy goods and services, they're not going to want everybody to know who they did business with, when, where, and what they buy and who they buy it from. So how do they shield those transactions? That's exactly what these privacy coins do. They shield information regarding these transactions. So Zcash, Dash, Monero, and Mina Coin, Verge, okay, all these kind of coins like this that have any kind of limited privacy, okay, could and all of a sudden get this boost that's out of this world. What would happen if all of a sudden Zcash was in the top 10? You'd have to have now at this point $25 billion in market cap. $25,800,000,000 in market cap to be in the top 10. Folks, it's only sitting at 2 billion. Okay? When you think about that, it's pretty scary. Okay, we're talking about a coin that's sitting at number 53. Could literally go up 10-fold. That would be a $1,730 Zcash. Now, what about Dash and Monero? Well, they're sitting around here too. Those coins could also go up 10-fold. But it's not going to happen until people wake up and realize, I can't shield my Bitcoin transaction. I can't hide my Ethereum transaction. I don't want people to know that I buy XYZ parts and pieces for the things that I make from these sources. I don't want people to know this is where I get my dough from. This is where I get my flour from. This is where I get my chips from. This is where I get my breadboards from. This is where I get my wing nuts from. This is where I get my hoses from. This is what I pay for them. And this is when if you want to be able to shield information about your transactions and use crypto to do the payments, you're going to have a blockchain that has those kind of capabilities. When that day comes, the rise of the privacy coins will be epic. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.